A very good morning to dear students. I hope you all are fine and I'm welcoming in the class of maths. You have to do the work in fair copy in a very neat and clean work with you have to, it should be proper, your work should be proper. Now today we are going to know the new topic, that is find LCM by prime factorization method. LCM. Now, as you know that HCF is highest common factor and LCM is least common multiple. Now, above with the prime factorization method, we are going to know about the LCM. Now, here is 24 and 32. Now, 24 and 32. So, 24. So, as you know that 24 and 24 is divisible by 2 is 12. 12 is divisible by 2, we get 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3 and 3 ones are 3. Same here 32. 32 is divided by 2 is 16. 16 is divided by 2 is 8. 8 is divided by 2 is 4. 4 is divided by 2 is 2 and 2 ones are 2. So at last we get 2. After that, when we write it, the LCM of prime factorization, when we write it, so here 24, the factors of 24 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, and here is 32. Now here is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So we have write down the two things, factors of both the digits. After that, as you know that we are doing LCM, least common multiple. So first of all, we have to know that which factor is common. So these factors are common. So when two factors are common, when factors are common in both the digit, we have to write down it only one time. If the digits are common in both the digits, if any number is common in both the digits, we have to write it down only one time. After that, when we write down one time, 2 then 2 then 2. After that, as you know that is least common factor. So here is what we left 3, we left 2 and we left 2. So after write down the common things one time, whatever the digit is left, we also write in LCM. That is 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. That is 96. So LCM, least common factor of 24 and 32 is 96. Now here same 30 and 45. 30 divided by 2 we get 15. 15 divided by 3 we get 5. 5 divided by 1 is equal to we get 1. 5 ones are 5. Now here 3. So 45 divided by 3 we get 15. 15 divided by 3 we get 5. 5 divided by 1 we get 5. 5 ones are 5. Now same we have written that the factors of 30 is 2 into 3 into 5, 2 into 3 into 5, and the factors of 45 3 into 3 into 5, 3 into 3 into 5 we have written. After that we are going to know about the LCM. So as you know that 3 into 3 is a common factor, so we will write down it only one time. Now you can see what is left. 2 is left, 3 is left, 5 is also common. So 3 is written and also 5 is written. What is left? So these two digits is common. So one time 3 we have written, one time 5 we have written. After that, what is left? 2 and 3 is left. So we will write down 2 and 3 also. After doing this, after the common factor after the if same digit, whatever the digit are left, we have to write it down also. So 2 into 3 into 5 into 3 is equal to 90. Means LCM by prime factorization method, if we know that the LCM is 30 and 45 is 90. Thank you.